Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by China.
Congratulations to the boys. Us as fans, we are happy. If ever someone is saying that we are the sellouts who attend games, whereas we are told not to attend games, we use our own money to come here. We support our own team. We buy our own t-shirts. So no one sponsors us. If ever you sponsor us, you will tell us not to come to the games. But we are financing ourselves. So you have no right to tell us not to come and support the boys. The boys won because of our support. The boys won because of we are here to support them. Yes, the boys didn't display a good football. We admit that, but we'll take things slowly. We don't have to rush the boys, but at least they have heard our voices that we are not happy. Now I can't compare Chiefs with Golden Arrows anymore. This Chiefs is heading to CAF. Golden Arrows is chasing top 8. So these are two different things. Chiefs is chasing to Confed. Sifuni wadlala CAF Confed. We want the boys to do better. They must just keep the consistency on the number 3. And then as for the coaches, can they please in the last 11 games not to make cut and paste. Stick to Mduduzi, stick to Vilakazi, stick to Velepai. They have given you results. Why not? Just trust these boys, make these boys that they play together, and then they will gain that form. Don't change much starting 11 Sako, just for the last 3 games, unless there's an injury. So the boys played well. We don't want beautiful football. We want results. We want results. This is what we want. Steve okay, one need in just to like South Africa. Shaya 1, Sitata 3 points. Shaya 1, Sitata 3 points. Back to default settings. These are the settings. We have resetted the teams. 1 need, 3 points. So back to default setting. Congratulations to Amakosi. No one will tell us, no one will stop us. We will always be here. Salute, my friends.
Thank you, gentlemen.